High above the ground, a small bird scans the world below. This is the Rufous Hornero, one of nature's most remarkable architects. Every movement matters. Every decision shapes the future. And in this quiet moment, a 180-day journey of life is about to unfold. There are no tools, no blueprints, only instinct and persistence. Beakful by beakful, wet mud is gathered. Layer by layer, it is shaped and pressed into form. A structure begins to rise, strong, enclosed, protective. Rain pours down, winds shake the branches, lightning tears across the sky. But the Rufous Hornero does not stop. Again and again it returns, because this is more than a nest. It is a fortress built for survival. And after days of relentless effort, a masterpiece stands complete. With the nest complete, a new phase begins. Inside the dim, sheltered chamber, eggs are laid. Small, fragile, silent. Yet inside, life is forming. Now everything slows. No urgency, no movement without purpose, only patience. Day after day, night after night, the parent remains, through rain, through cold, because beneath its body lies the future.
And then it happens. A tiny crack appears. Then another. From within the shell, something struggles to emerge. Each movement, a fight for life. Until finally, the shell breaks. A new life enters the world. Blind. Weak, vulnerable, but alive. And in the wild, that is everything.
Survival does not end at birth. It begins there. Every day, the parents leave and return, again and again, bringing food. Tiny beaks open wide, voices rise in urgency. This is instinct. This is hunger. Slowly, change begins. Feathers grow, eyes open. The world comes into focus.
But in the wild, safety is never guaranteed. A silent predator approaches. A brown snake moves carefully along the branch. Closer and closer. Then, in a single moment, an egg is gone. But the response is immediate. The Rufous Hornero returns. Fast, precise, fearless. It dives, strikes, and seizes the predator, lifting it from the nest, carrying it away into the forest, and then releases it. Life has been defended, but not without loss. Time passes. The chicks grow stronger. They stand at the edge, looking out. The world is vast, unknown, dangerous. Their wings move, uncertain. A jump, a fall, then another attempt, and then flight. Short, unsteady, but enough. Everything changes in that moment.
Leaving the nest is only the beginning. Now they must learn to survive alone. To search, to hunt, to understand the world. Mistakes happen, but each failure is a lesson, each success a step forward. The sky opens before them, and slowly they begin to belong to it. The nest now stands empty, but the story continues. A new individual has emerged, stronger, sharper, independent, no longer dependent, but part of the balance. And one day, it will build its own nest, continuing a cycle that has existed for millions of years. One journey ends, so another can begin. In the wild, life never stops. It simply moves forward.